Hello all, welcome back to my channel Hithika Productions. I hope everyone is doing good. So guys, as I mentioned in my previous tutorial, we saw how we can create a virtual machine, right? So today I'm going to show you guys installation of SQL Server setup for A360 On-Prem installation. Okay, so in our previous tutorial, I just shown I have created a virtual machine, right? I just downloaded the softwares. So I downloaded SQL 2019 server, as well as I have downloaded the latest version of automation anywhere A360, which is A360.23rd version 23. Okay, let's start with SQL setup. So guys, if you are visiting my channel first time and if you are watching my videos first time, please do like, share and subscribe so that whenever I upload videos you will get the notification. Don't forget to hit on bell icon. Okay, let's move on. So I'm just going with basic. So let's say accept. So this is also a simple thing. So since I am installing A360 on premises, so I just need to make sure database server is also installed. So that is why I just installing the first step for prerequisites. So it may take some time. We'll keep you posted. I will keep pause the video for some time and I will keep you posted later. So guys, since it is 2019, this is the first time I'm seeing the screen like this. Let's see what can we. Okay, let me close it and install SSMS to see. I'm not sure whether this is completed or not. It's true. Let me copy it for reference. Localhost, okay, master, trust factor. Okay, let me set up SSMS. So we'll be able to. I think it by default installed with Windows authentication, if I'm not wrong. Not sure what it do. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay, I'm doing the custom setup so that I can create a own database for A360. Okay. Let me say dev A360 is the instance name. Let me automatic. Okay. So Hithika Productions. Okay. Hithika Productions. Okay. Windows authentication and mixed mode. If I say mixed mode, it will ask a password also. Okay, I'm just enabling both. So this may take some time. So let me keep the video pause for a while, and once it is into the next step, I will resume it back. Okay guys, this is successful. Now I think we have installed, we are downloaded SSMS, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It's a client to access the server. So let's install this, and then we'll see we'll be able to log into the server or not. So we may need to do something in this SQL Server 2019 configuration manager. If A360 is not going to be installed, we need to enable TCP/IP ports on 1433 port number. I will show you guys. So it is asking for required. I don't do. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I can connect to the server which I installed, the instance which I created. Okay. So you can see the server name, right? Dev A360. See, Express also installed by default. So I just created it especially for for our A360 setup. Let's say connect. Yes, we are able to connect to database. So we can see few things, few tables are also there. Yes, few things were there. Let me disconnect. Try connecting with the Windows Authenticate, sorry, SQL Server authentication. there is some issue. Okay, the I think this is correct. Okay, I may need to explore in Google to address that issue. Yeah, this is how we can do setup for A360 installation, especially database. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe the channel so that whenever I upload new videos, you will get the notification. Don't forget to hit on bell icon and enable for all notifications. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.